My name is Brendon Hill, and I'm the Executive VP of Business Development for Dave Goerke Associates. And my area of expertise is data center decommissioning. The most powerful tool you have is information, and having that information up front in your decision-making process. So what we do is we will come in and do a quick review of your facility, find out exactly what the client needs in the decommission and to what extent, what equipment is there, and basically get a scope on the project. And then what we do is do an evaluation of that equipment, and we look to do basically it's a pass-through type process, full transparency, and our goal is 100% return on investment of the fair market value of that equipment. What makes us different is the industry is fraught with equipment brokers who say they do that, but what they're really after is the high value assets, usually the generator and the UPS. And so what we find is clients who don't have that are turned away. And so we've created a solution for those folks who have an environment that might be aged, that doesn't have a lot of value, but still need the project to be completed. They still have to decommission the site. So what we do is we'll do the evaluation. Our goal is to get a high return on investment. If we can't, then our goal is to keep the project costs low so it's a success. So if there is out of pocket for the client, we keep that cost down by charging a service fee, a fixed fee for our services. When they're migrating, obviously on the uptime side of it, there's multiple factors that they need to be aware of, and that's actually for others who have that expertise. But the redundancy and making sure that while you're migrating you don't go down. So speed of migration is some of the things you really want to look for, and having those questions answered before you begin. But having a clear plan, having a clear budget ahead of time is really very helpful and beneficial at the level where those decisions are made. Because in the past they used to be made at the facility manager's level. Now they're made at a level with other stakeholders like the VP of IT. All the different departments come together and they make that decision together. The biggest trend in the data center industry right now is the large companies are building, and there has been a 2 to 3 year stall in smaller companies building data centers. The economy has been real lethargic, if you will. But what we're seeing, thankfully, is more companies talking about budgets, projecting out, and actually planning projects. So we're starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel.